guys, we are here, we're at her house, and I think we got here like a few minutes past 7, and maybe, yeah. So the first thing we did, or I did, is to lay her hair and just put it in a ponytail like this. Her hair is looking so cute. We have like, what, 2 hours left to, get her ready. And guys, church didn't want her to even put on any makeup, and so we had to improvise. So she told me, just do it small, do skin work, brows and mascara and a little lip liner, and we're good. So we're already on our way to church, and after church I was going to continue the makeup. Oh well, so we're at church already. We got here pretty early, and she's just sitting in the car, chilling, and we're able to do some mini video, and she's super excited. You guys will see her moves later. Like, she starts to give us some moves. This bride, she's got moves. And by the way, today is the 16th, and today is her birthday. So guys, please wish her a happy birthday below in the comment section. And yeah, so she got her first gift in the car. This is such a cute throw pillow. If it was a traditional wedding, you will see these pictures. Like, I used them as my thumbnail in the beginning, and somebody in their office thought to make a throw pillow with their pictures, and I thought, this is so genius. Like, oh my god, so beautiful. I would definitely love to have something like this on my own wedding day. So yeah. And at this point, I think this is the time we'll start singing, "Here comes the bride, here comes the bride." But hold on, that's not what we sing in Nigeria. I mean, like, we sing songs to God. Listen. So about now, the bride and the groom, they just finished exchanging their vows, and now it's time for a mini Thanksgiving. And did I tell you, my bride, she has got some moves. Oh my god, look at her, like, she's so excited. I mean, oh damn. So after here we moved straight. We had paparazzi, like, people started congratulating them, taking them pictures, and yeah, it was a lot. I think we spent about another 30 to 40 minutes outside the church taking pictures, and I think after here we moved straight to the hotel where I can finish her makeup so she can proceed to the reception. Look at that. I mean, don't you just love Nigerian weddings? Like, it's our wedding. It's yes, the bride and the groom, they're the ones getting married, but it's our wedding. Like, everybody's excited. Okay, so I already completed her makeup. The only thing I did was add a bit of eyeshadow, lashes, liquid liner, a bit of highlighter here and there, contour, and I changed her lipstick, of course. And yeah, so time for pictures. So they're taking pictures in the hotel room, and after this, I think we went downstairs. It's a video, you guys. Congratulations. And thank you guys so much for watching. I think we've come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.